This is how I converted my Chester Conquest mini mill to belt drive using only hand tools. My milling machine finally broke. It is a Conquest mill, and if we have a look inside here, this is the gearbox. The gearbox is coming out. Look at that. Plastic gears. So it's got plastic gears in it, and this is what's happened to the plastic gears. There's more in there. Who in their right mind would design a milling machine with plastic gears? This is what we have now. Turn it on, set the speed to about halfway. I've got an M6 drill bit in there. Excellent, good stuff, seems to work.